Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best stadium seats that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Ohuhu stadium seats. This metal and nylon stadium seat comes with a bungee cord elasticity to make sure your body remains comfortable throughout the game. Plus, it has strong back support so you can leave the game the way you came, nice and healthy. Measuring approximately 17 by 13 by 16 inches in size, you can squeeze up to 400 pounds inside its framework. After the game, it folds up nice and small till you need to use it again. Rubber non-slip skids make sure this seat stays where you want it to. It doesn't matter the type of bleacher seat you have to sit on, this stadium seat should fit just right. Moving on at number 4, we have the Aniva portable Ventura reclining stadium seats. With over 10 colors to choose from, you should be able to find a color that suits your color tastes. After you have made that decision, you get to use a top stadium seat that is padded and very comfortable to sit in. On top of that, the metal frame makes sure you do not fall out of the 16 by 20 by the 16-inch chair. After you get the chair in position, you can choose one of 6 reclining positions and just watch the game develop. Armrests let your arms take a breather from cheering. Once the game is done, the chair folds up nice and small, making it easy to carry home. At number 3, we have the Flash Furniture Grandstand Comfort Seats. This nicely colored stadium seat hooks underneath the bleachers to make sure it stays in one spot. After you get it hooked up, this 18 by 15 by 6 inch approximately seat welcomes your body and provides it with a lot of comforts. After the game is over, or even before it begins, you can use the built-in carry handle to relocate this lightweight seat. With over 10 colors to choose from, you have a lot of options when it comes to color. Just don't get the opposing team's color. Then when you do not need it, this stadium seat folds up so you can store it equals out of the way. At number 2, we have the 5 Stars United Stadium Seat Cushions. A handy little handle on the side of this cushion allows you to easily carry the cushion to and from your car with ease. With its 100% memory foam, you should be able to find your comfort sweet spot the next time you sit in it. Also, the approximately 18 by 14 by 3 inch cushion can be used at the big game or at the office. There is no law saying you can't be comfortable while you are sitting doing your work. Its weight capacity is about 220 pounds. On top of that, you get a rubber base that prevents slipping. You should be able to change positions without losing your comfortable spot. And finally at number 1, we have the Cascade Mountain Tech Portable Folding Steel Stadium Seats. These Cascade stadium seats do not have to be big and bulky to bring comfort. This nylon and metal seat uses flexible material to make sure your body is not harmed by the inflexible, cold and hard bleacher seats you have to sit on. After you unfold the chair, it will hook to almost any metal or wood bleacher with ease. Only a few minutes of setup and you can remain comfortable throughout the game. This water-resistant seat comes in 8 different colors so you can show your support to your home team. In addition to all of that, this chair is about 17 by 21 inches in size and holds about 250 pounds of weight. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.